Welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is SK, your boy here. This is a Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates talk. I've been receiving this weird question: who's gonna win tomorrow? Who's gonna win tomorrow? People have been inboxing me on my Facebook page. I've been receiving this, but I wanted to come here and address this thing here. Guys, you cannot assume Soweto Derby. No one will ever be able to assume Soweto who's gonna win and who's not gonna win. Of course, I have my own prediction. You have your own prediction, but Soweto Derby is difficult to just assume like that. It's only the time that tell when we say like when the game ends. It's when we know that okay, Orlando Pirates won or Kaizer Chiefs won. No one can just say this person is gonna win. You saw when we were watching the last derby, you saw how Kaizer Chiefs performed, but Kaizer Chiefs are not performing at all like on that time. And Kaizer Chiefs did not just get where they are now. You see, there is Nedbank Cup coming next week, and then it's a league tomorrow. Kaizer Chiefs are out of top 8, and they want to play at MTN 8. If you remember very well, last season Kaizer Chiefs did not play MTN 8, so they want to win even like they want to increase chances for them to win even like maybe a single trophy. If you remember very well, last season they did not finish at top 8. And if they finished at top 8, maybe they were going to have at least one trophy. At least, but they are going to the final with Orlando Pirates, and there is a hope for them to win trophy to end their 10 years down the drought. Imagine. So, I want to tell you my score prediction, but I'm not saying who's gonna win and who's not gonna win. But I want to drop my score prediction. It's 3-3. If not 2-2. Let me start with 3-3. Why am I saying 3-3? Kaizer Chiefs is gonna go all out. Go all out, and they know that Orlando Pirates has got weakness when like their defense is a bit shaky. Kogi does not have pace, and Ashley Dupree has got a lot of pace. If ever Coach Nabi want to win that game, must start with Ashley Dupree so that he can he can just make sure that he leaves Orlando Pirates defense tired. And also on the other side, there's Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates is very good at taking wise. They have like everything that you may think of. Their striker is sharp. Evidence Mahopa here is a good player. And then it's Rebulukela Mafugeng on the right side. It's another guy on the left side. Sorry, on the right side it's Mohamed Kota. There is Hoto. There's everyone that you may think of. So now I'm saying my score prediction is 3-3. Kota is gonna score, Rele is gonna score, and Mahopa is gonna score, and Chabalal is gonna score for Kaizer Chiefs. Ashley Dupree is gonna score, and Lelepo is gonna score. That's my score prediction. Unfortunately, I want you to drop your own score prediction. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you may get a